Explodey FPS, your ultimate tech guide. Hey everyone, Saira here. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Some websites do not allow users to download their content. This video is dedicated to websites that permit downloads. Remember, downloading videos without permission is illegal, so always respect the terms of service of the platform you're using. If you've noticed that the IDM download panel isn't appearing when you try to download videos, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to fix this issue. This usually happens because of browser integration problems, outdated extensions, or conflicts with other software. Let's go through each fix to make sure IDM works smoothly without any interruptions. IDM needs to be properly connected to your browser to detect and capture media files. If this setting is incorrect, the download panel won't appear when you play a video. First, open IDM and look for the Options menu. In this menu, find the General section. Here you'll see a list of browsers. Make sure your browser is selected. If it's not, check the box next to it, then confirm the changes. Now close IDM and restart both the browser and IDM to apply the settings. Once everything restarts, try playing a video on a supported website and check if the IDM panel appears. If it still doesn't show up, then the issue might be related to IDM's extension inside the browser. Even if IDM is installed, the browser extension responsible for detecting videos might be disabled or missing. Without this, IDM won't be able to integrate with the browser properly. To check this, open your browser and go to the Extensions or Add-ons section. Look for an extension called IDM Integration Module. If you find it disabled, enable it, then restart your browser. If the extension is missing, follow the video steps. Go to the link mentioned in the description, find the correct link, and click on it. This will automatically add the IDM extension once downloaded. After that, restart your browser and try again. Once it's installed, refresh the video page and see if the IDM panel appears. If it still doesn't work, then the problem could be caused by an outdated version of IDM or the browser itself. Keeping IDM in your browser up to date is important because older versions may not be compatible with the latest changes in websites. To update IDM, open it and look for the Help option. Inside this menu, select Check for Updates and install the latest version if one is available. After updating, restart your computer. Next, check if your browser needs an update. Open the browser settings and look for the Update option. If there's an update available, install it and restart your system. Now, try playing a video again and see if IDM detects it. If the download panel is still not showing, then another extension might be blocking IDM from working. Some browser extensions, such as ad blockers, security tools, or even other video downloaders, can interfere with IDM's detection. To check for conflicts, go back to the Extensions or Add-on section in your browser. Look for any extensions related to ad blocking, security, or video downloading. Disable them one by one, then refresh the page and see if IDM starts working. If disabling a specific extension fixes the issue, you might need to keep it turned off while using IDM. Even if the IDM panel doesn't appear automatically, you can still download media files manually. First, play the video you want to download, then copy its URL from the address bar. Now, open IDM and look for the Add URL option. Click here and paste the copied link, then confirm the download. If IDM doesn't detect the media, try playing the video again and check IDM's grabber tool to see if it can capture the file. By following these steps, you should be able to fix IDM panel issues and make sure it works as expected. Keep in mind that IDM is meant for downloading files where it's legally allowed, so always respect the terms of service of any website. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one!